Have you ever heard of a surgery that works even when it hasn't been performed? Welcome to the mystery of placebo surgeries. Dive into the fascinating world of medicine and you'll encounter the peculiar phenomenon of placebo surgeries. Yes, you heard it right. Surgeries that aren't real, yet strangely, they seem to work. This isn't a tale from a science fiction novel, but a real-life anomaly that has left scientists scratching their heads. Let's break it down. A placebo, in general terms, is a substance or treatment designed to have no therapeutic value. Commonly used in drug trials, it's often a pill made of sugar, intended to control for the power of suggestion. But how does this concept translate to surgeries? Well, it's much the same. In a placebo surgery, patients undergo a sham operation where they're made to believe they're receiving actual treatment. The surgeon makes incisions, but no real surgical act is performed. Now here's where it gets intriguing. Numerous studies have shown that patients who undergo these fake operations often show a significant improvement in their condition. This baffling phenomenon raises a myriad of questions. What's at play here? Is it the power of belief, the expectation of healing? Or is there something more profound about our bodies that we're yet to uncover? This strange science also brings with it a slew of ethical implications. Is it right to deceive patients, even if it results in their betterment? And what does this say about our understanding of medicine and the human body? Are we missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? Placebo surgeries challenge the very fabric of medical science, forcing us to reconsider what we know about the healing process. They blur the lines between mind and body, suggesting that perhaps our mental state can indeed influence physical healing. So, what do you think? Can your mind trick your body into healing itself without any real medical intervention? Imagine a scenario where hot water freezes faster than cold water. Sounds impossible, right? Meet the Mpemba effect. Ever had a moment where the laws of physics seem to stage a rebellion? Well, the Mpemba effect is just that, a scientific anomaly that has puzzled minds for centuries. Named after Erasto Mpemba, a Tanzanian student who observed this peculiar phenomenon in the 1960s, it describes how, under certain conditions, hot water can freeze faster than cold water. Now, you might be thinking, that defies logic, and you'd be right. It does sound counterintuitive, but it's not a fairy tale. It's a real-world enigma that has put even the brightest scientific minds to the test. Various theories have been proposed to explain this puzzling phenomenon. Some scientists suggest it's due to evaporation, which reduces the volume of water that needs to be frozen. Others propose it's the result of convection currents, causing hot water to cool faster. Yet another theory points to the effects of supercooling, where cold water can remain liquid even below freezing point. But despite these theories, the Mpemba effect remains shrouded in mystery. It's a fascinating reminder that science is a never-ending journey of discovery, where the answers often lead to more questions. Could you have guessed that hot water might turn into ice faster than cold one? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think you can flap your arms 80 times per second? Well, a hummingbird can. This tiny avian marvel doesn't just beat its wings at an astonishing speed, it also has the unique ability to hover in place. It's a feat unmatched by any other bird species. So, what's the secret behind the hummingbird's hovering enigma? To answer that, let's delve into the world of aerodynamics. Unlike other birds, hummingbirds have a unique wing motion. They move their wings in a figure-8 pattern. This motion generates lift on both the upstroke and the downstroke, allowing them to stay suspended in the air. But that's not all. Have you ever tried to balance a pencil on your fingertip? It's not easy, is it? Now imagine a hummingbird maintaining its position in the air, battling wind gusts and changes in air pressure. It's a delicate balancing act that requires rapid adjustments to wing speed and angle. This is made possible by the hummingbird's rapid wing beat and incredible muscle power, accounting for nearly a third of their total body weight. Yet, the mystery of the hummingbird's hover doesn't end here. Their heart rate can reach up to 1,200 beats per minute, and they consume energy at a rate 10 times that of a marathon runner. How they sustain such high energy consumption remains a fascinating area of research. How do you think such a tiny bird manages to perform this incredible feat of aviation? We'd love to hear your theories. Imagine seeing bright, unexplained lights in the sky, appearing and disappearing without a trace. Welcome to the Hessdalen Lights mystery. In the remote, tranquil valley of Hessdalen, Norway, a spectacle unfolds that has left scientists puzzled and locals in awe for decades. Here, luminous orbs of various hues dance across the night sky, sometimes for hours on end, then vanish as mysteriously as they appeared. This is the enigma of the Hessdalen Lights. Eyewitness accounts paint a vivid picture of this phenomenon. The lights, often compared to floating lanterns, radiate a mesmerizing glow that illuminates the valley below. They come in an array of colors: white, yellow, red, and sizes ranging from smaller than a tennis ball to larger than a car. Their behaviors are just as varied. Some hover in place, others dart around the sky at incredible speeds, and some even split into multiple orbs before recombining. Theories about the origin of these lights abound. Some propose they are the result of ionized iron dust. Others suggest they are triggered by radioactive decay in the valley's rocks. And still others argue they are the visible effect of a natural battery caused by the valley's unique geology. And yet, despite numerous scientific investigations, the Hessdalen Lights remain an unsolved mystery. Researchers from around the world have descended upon this Norwegian valley, setting up observatories and conducting numerous studies. They have captured the lights on film, measured their electromagnetic signatures, and even sampled the air during an appearance. But the lights continue to defy explanation. The Hessdalen Lights are a testament to the enduring mysteries of our world, a reminder that there are still things that science has yet to fully understand. They captivate us, perplex us, and challenge our understanding of the natural world. What do you believe could be the source of these unexplained lights? Aliens, perhaps? Share your theories below. Bees are disappearing at an alarming rate, but why? This is the mystery of colony collapse disorder. It's a phenomenon that has scientists scratching their heads worldwide. Bees, the tiny buzzing creatures that play a massive role in our ecosystem, are vanishing from their hives, leaving the queen and a few immature workers behind. This strange occurrence has potential to disrupt food chains and ecosystems globally. You see, bees are vital pollinators. Without them, many plants, including those that make up a significant chunk of our diets, would struggle to reproduce. So what's causing this? Pesticides, parasites, habitat loss, and climate change have all been pointed at as possible culprits. But the truth? It's still a puzzle. Scientists are working tirelessly to solve it because the stakes are high. Why do you think bees are disappearing? And how do you think this could impact our world?